Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would be able to manually get into your trunk. So this trunk, or the hatch, will only open with some electric to the vehicle. So say your battery has gone dead and you're not able to open up the trunk, because what you do is you reach down here right below the emblem and you push a button, and there's an electric actuator that will unlock it. There is no key access through the back here to be able to twist to unlock. And so whether your battery is dead and it won't open, you either, this button actuator you need to use to open up, to unlock the latch, or your key fob button, but with no power either way that won't work. But you can manually unlock it to be able to gain access into there, and then be able, if you need to replace those components, you can replace those components. But to manually unlock it, you'll need to climb into the trunk, climb through the back, or climb into the cabin of the vehicle. Then we got to climb into the back, pop a little cover, and then push a little latch cover over. So let me show you how that's done. So I'm in here in the back. You may have a cover plate over that. If you did, you just need to pull the seat lever and pull that down, and then be able to crawl yourself back in here. When you're back in here, you'll see this little cover. Here's your door latch, or your lock latch right here. You'll see this little cover, and we just need to pop that cover off, and you'll see in here a white bracket. And then if you just take this and pull that to the right as you're looking at it, that unlocks the trunk. Then you'll be able to push it open and get out. And so that's how you can manually unlock your trunk from the inside, to be able to open it up, and then you can replace that latch and the electric actuator there if needs be. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, or you can be the mechanic.